Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashish Bhardwaj. In today's video, we are going to have speaking session. Who is going to try IELTS for the first time? Okay, so what is your full name?
My name is Sangeeta Suman.
Okay, how may I address you?
You can call me Sangeeta.
Okay, Sangeeta. So what do you do? Do you work or are you a student?
I'm working as a gym trainer and a yoga instructor, and I love my work.
Okay. Why choose this profession?
As I'm doing yoga from starting in my school days, and I built lots of interest, and I want to learn new things about the fitness. So that's why I choose this field.
Okay. Is it a popular job in your country?
No, this is not much popular job in my country, especially for girls. But I want to do something different, so that's why.
Okay, so what is the best thing about this job?
The best thing about my job is I'm able to stay physically and mentally fit and strong, and I help others to stay healthy. As these days everybody wants to stay healthy, so I help them and enjoy a lot.
Okay. And what do you dislike about your job?
There's not pretty much thing that I dislike my job, but especially the time management, as I want to wake up early in the morning. So I want to,
I have to wake up.
I have to wake up early in the morning, and so
Okay. So would you recommend this job to others?
if anybody is having interest, yes, I will recommend this job to them. But only if he or she want to learn something.
Okay.
Like if he or she is passionate about to learn about the fitness, then only.
What color clothes you like to wear?
I like to wear every kind of clothes and every color, as by wearing every kind of clothes, every color of clothes, I can attract people or I look different in every color.
Okay. Do people in your country like to wear bright color clothes?
Yes, on special occasions like on anniversaries, on weddings, and on their birthdays, people prefer to wear bright colors clothes. Whereas in like on normal basis, people I don't think that they prefer to wear bright colors clothes normally.
What are differences between men and women preference in color?
According to me, men prefer to wear bold colors like blue, dark green, black, and so on, whereas uh, females prefer to wear every kind of clothes and every color, as they want to look different in every cloth.
What kind of clothes you will never wear?
The clothes in which I may not feel comfortable, I didn't prefer to wear those clothes, as like lehengas and saris and so on.
Okay. So let's talk about one cue card, and your cue card topic is talk about a time when you had to wait for someone or something. When you decided to wait. Okay. So okay. Start.
Okay. Well, waiting for someone is very difficult, as here I'm going to talk about a thing. When my brother came from Canada after 4 years on my birthday, and we want to go to the concert of Diljit Dosanjh, which gonna held near my home, and my brother takes lots of time to get ready. So I was very excited to go to the concert, so I get ready very early and quickly, as I want to I don't want to be late in the concert, but my brother was taking lots of time, and I have to wait about 1 hour, and I feel very frustrated and irritated from him. Then then we go. Then we get late to the concert. Then after getting late, I feel more frustrated on him, so I scolded him. But luckily luckily we got the front seat, as the show was held by my brother's friend Ashish. And then we enjoy a lot on sitting in the front seat, and we cheer, and we enjoy a lot. And we ate many kind of snacks, and we also take pictures with Diljit Dosanjh, and he posted on the Instagram, and I'm very much a fan of Diljit Dosanjh.
Okay, thank you so much.